Here we go, PHI's testing. Here we go. Let's see if I can get WXL-39. WXL-39 is already testing. Here we go. Sanjean went off.
Normally conducted by the National Station WNG-704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Good weather day.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather. The warning variability is normally more noted in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WXL-39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. And in Maryland, people, including Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island, Howell Township, New Jersey. Thank you for listening.